Here's how to make a podcast using Anchor. The first step to making a podcast for Anchor is to record your podcast through a Zoom meeting. Once you open up Zoom, you're going to want to press the New Meeting button. Once you press that button, you're going to want to make sure that you join with your computer audio or a microphone. Make sure that your mic is unmuted. Next, you'll want to go to the Meeting tab and invite any other group members that you have to the podcast. You can either click on your group members and invite them that way, or click Copy Link and email them the link to the Zoom. Once everyone is in the Zoom, you're going to want to make sure that all of your mics are turned on and that you are speaking loud enough so that everybody can hear you. Once you're ready to record, press the record button and press record on this computer. Once you're done recording, press the stop recording button at the bottom of the screen. Once you end the session, the recording will save to your computer. Your recording will take just a moment to convert, and then it will save into a folder called Zoom in your Documents tab. The next step is to open your browser and go to anchor.fm. Once you reach the website, you're going to either want to sign in if you already have an account or press the Get Started button to sign up. Use your name, email, password, and date of birth to sign up for Anchor. After you've logged in with Anchor, click the New Episode button at the top of the page to start working on your podcast. After you click the New Episode button, two options will come down. Click the Create an Episode option. Once you get to this page, you'll have the opportunity to either upload audio that you've already recorded or to record new audio through Anchor. To record new audio, press the red record button that's to the left of the screen. Now, you'll want to upload the recordings that you took from Zoom and saved onto your computer. To do that, click the text that says click to upload or drag files here. It's going to ask what file you'd like to put into the timeline. Go to Documents, the Zoom folder, and the folder with the date that you recorded the podcast on, and then use the M4A file and press Open to put that in the timeline. Once your audio file is uploaded and processed, you will then be able to play it back. You can also add background music by clicking the music note next to it, or if you click the three dots, you can edit your audio. If you click Edit Audio, it will bring you to a page that allows you to split up your clip and delete any mistakes that you might have made. Once you're satisfied with your edits, you can click Save and save as one new segment. Now, you can add Spotify music, a voice message, or transitions into your timeline. To add a song or transition into your timeline, choose a song and either drag it into the timeline or press the plus button. You can move any of the clips around in the timeline just by dragging them. Once you are satisfied with all the clips in your timeline, you can press the Save Episode button at the top. Here, you'll be able to give your episode a title, write an episode description, and if you wish, add a season or episode number to specify in your podcast. You can also change the cover art of your podcast by pressing the Upload Cover Art button. Once you've filled out all the information, go to the top and click the Publish Now button. Once your episode is published, it will ask you how you want to share your podcast. Click the Copy Link option. Next, you'll want to go to Blackboard, log in with your student account, and go to your classes page. From there, you're going to want to find the discussion board and post the link to your podcast in the discussion board by creating a thread Now paste the link to your podcast in the message section of the discussion board. Hit submit and your podcast will be submitted.